Hi there, my name is Christy Childs and I've been online since 2014. I'm a former elementary school teacher slash college professor turned entrepreneur. I absolutely love it. I enjoy teaching what I've learned online, and I've learned online how to make six figures um, total so far, and I'm shooting for $1 million. So what I can teach you is some valuable tips about different marketplaces. In particular, we're talking about Etsy. Now, you may be wondering what to sell on Etsy, and I can point you as your teacher to the people who can show you the best way to make passive income on Etsy. One of them is Michelle. Michelle and I partnered up. Michelle has made $30,000 in passive revenue with printables. Okay, so you may be thinking, what are printables? People absolutely love them. I love them. They're like a delight for the eyes. So if you go on to Etsy and you put in the search bar Christmas printables, you're going to search and you'll see there are 85,908 results, which is a lot of competition, but it goes to show you what is selling. If there's a lot of competition, it means there's a lot of sales being made. However, you want to go after something that has 50,000 results or less, ideally. As you can see right here in this search volume, there are 2,400 people a month on Google who search for Christmas printables. Now, if you want to know how to do this, download, there's a link below this video where you'll be able to download this free guide. Not this one. Okay, let's see. This one. This is a free guide. It's going to show you what to sell on Etsy and how to get those free keyword tools. Okay, it's an absolutely free guide, and it'll tell you everything you need to know to get started on selling on Etsy, plus some niches that are really good to go into. In fact, I found a really good one I'm going to show you that doesn't have much competition. So it's really a golden tip. So if you go in, let's just take a look and see how many sales people are making. Let's look for a big one. Okay, this one's made 502. Oh, this is reviews right here. So if they have 502 reviews, then you know if you click on their shop name, they've had 3,131 sales. So let's take a look, and they're selling printables, guest room decor, chalkboard, quotes, dining room signs, uniform thank you cards, recipe card printables. See, this will give you some great ideas about what to sell and how to sell it. Unicorn birthday invitation. And if you go to the reviews, you can see what has sold recently. May 17, 2018, guest room decor is what was sold, recipe card, guest room decor, and then you can read all 502 reviews. So this is a really good shop to model after, and they are doing very well. So let's go back and look at another one. Okay, so whoops. Here we are. Okay, so if you look, scroll down here, this has 1,117 reviews, which means they've had a lot more sales. If you click on the shop, you can see they've had 16,890 sales since 2014. That's remarkable. And it's all printables. Look at this, science party photo booth, anniversary prop printables, cops and robbers party, class reunion photo props, Sweet 16, birthday, carnival, baby shower, party props, 70s printable party, blue baby shower printable, baseball party props, 37 under the sea party props, Scottish twins, New York 18th, Spanish photo booth. So see, you're seeing niches right there. Spanish photo booth. I mean, I would never have thought about Spanish photo booth. So there's a great sub niche for you. And a lot of times when you do this, you're going to get all kinds of great ideas. So let's go to their reviews and see what has sold recently that people have left a review on. Class reunion, graduation, because it's around that time, adult party, family party, graduation, baby shower, graduation, secret agent party. I mean, there's a great sub niche. Chic, birthday, steampunk, emoji printable, medical themed party, medical themed party. All right, there's another great niche, okay? So I've just revealed some great niches to you. We've just discovered some together just by going through this shop's reviews. You can see Italian photo booth, baby shower movie night, baby shower engagement, space party props, baby shower carnival party. And so you could do baby shower, but if you do baby shower, I would really niche it down as in like unicorn baby shower printable. Let's see what we get. Look at that. Only 2,104 results, and these are selling. Look at this. Let's look at this. Reviews 9815. If we click on the shop, they've made 94,250 sales. Wow. Okay. And remember, these are, most of these, if not all of these that we've seen, are digital downloads, meaning they don't have to mail anything. They just deliver it instantly through Etsy. It's called a digital download. I mean, this is adorable. Now, if you want to learn how to do this, you need to learn from someone who's doing it and making money with it, okay? And that would be Michelle. That would be Michelle, and I'm going to show you. I had her site pulled up, and now it's disappeared on me. So hold 1 second. Here we go. And again, Michelle has been doing this for over 2 years. And last time I checked, she's made $30,000. I'm sure she's made a lot more than that. I need to text her and ask her what her current income is. But one of her star students made her first $1,000 on Etsy, and it was with Michelle's course. And I've been through her course. It is excellent. Okay, and there'll be a link to this down there. But I mean, when you see, there are so many niches that people are not targeting. People are not even into yet. Baby shower Price is Right. I mean, the sky is the limit, and people absolutely love printables. If we go into just the main broad keyword printables, I want you to see what the search volume is. 3,600 a month search for printables. Buy printables. If we go into Google, my keyword right here, and if you download the guide below this, you're going to see this as well. It's a free keyword tool. Plus, I use another keyword tool to show me this information, which is valuable. This tells you how many people in Google are searching for that particular thing. And this tells you how much you would have to pay per click if you went into AdWords, Google AdWords, and paid for advertisement. And this shows you some valuable info right here. Printables Christmas 2400, Planners Blog, Printables Quotes, Printables Art, Free Planner Sticker Printables, Printables Organization, Printables Etsy, MLA, and you don't want to do any you don't want to concern yourself with copyrighted terms, but let's just do baby boy printable. Okay, that is a highly competitive niche. So let's do the keyword baby boy. Let's just say superheroes are huge right now because of the movies. Okay, see, there are only 326 people ranking for the keyword superhero, but I would not use trademark names. I would not. Okay, do not use trademark names or images, but you can do like hero. Check on superhero trademark, but I'm sure the word hero is not, just the word itself is not trademarked hero, I wouldn't think, but double check it. Do your due diligence and check that online with trademark. But you get an idea right here of what is selling. Oh my gracious. Look at this, 600, okay. See, here's something interesting right here. Click Party. This shop has sold 16,495 sales since 2016. So you can see what a lucrative market this is. Even, okay, remember, even these are digital downloads. There's nothing to mail, there's no postage, there's no print, there's no ink. All you do is make the printable and they download it. After you're charged for and you could do this with free tools. Michelle's going to show you how to do this with free tools, similar items. So after Etsy's fees, say you're making $2.50. Let's just do that with the calculator. Let's get our little trusty calculator out here. Okay. Now, $2.50. Whoops, where'd you go? Okay, I lost it. Let's do it again. All right, $2.50 times, I got a lot of tabs open here, 16,495. $41,236.50 for digital downloads. That's since 2016. So say divide that in half, 20,000 a year, just with free downloadable printables that you don't have to ship. You don't have to worry about shipping it from China. You don't have to worry about making it. You don't have to worry about stocking it. You don't have to worry about going to the post office, buying labels, buying postage, buying boxes. Instant downloadable. The reason I love this is because I have made a living on instant downloadable information products and software. This is the same idea. You can make a living, even if it's part-time at first, potentially. I can't guarantee income by law, but as you can see, there are people doing it all day long. Michelle is doing it, and again, this is her course. Now, if you decide to get her course through my link, you will also get my guide called, and these are my courses, I'll link to my courses as well. I'll give you for free the Etsy SEO keyword map. The riches are in the niches, okay? And because Michelle is going to show you how she sells it, I'm going to show you additional ways that you can use keywords to help rank you inside of Etsy. Okay, so that's all for this one. This has been super fun, just mind-blowing when you see how many people are making a lot of income giving people what they are looking for. And it can be super fun, and it can be potentially super lucrative. Okay, so click on the links below. Please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you. Thank you for stopping by. Bye now.